Ang sarap! Hello guys, so I'm now in McDonald's. In-order ko lahat ng bago nila. I have here the Choco Lava Puff. And then the Taro Custard Pie. And of course, yung bago nila na potato fries. Fan kasi ako ng potato fries. Yes, so we will try this one by one. Anong unahin natin? Sige, text kayo, boto nyo. Joke lang. Sige. Unahin natin itong Choco Lava Puff. Yes, puti na lang. Andungas ko, sorry guys, galing ako sa game. Nag-pickleball ako, tsaka volleyball. Yes, so sorry. I'm sorry for the messy looks. But let's try this first. Choco Lava Puff. Okay. And then later, try natin itong dalawa. Ito ba yung itatry mo sa Sunday? Actually, I have here the Sunday kasi mas maganda daw siyang itry with the Sunday. So, let's try that later. In fairness, ay, ang laki niya. Malaki siya actually guys. For its price. Okay, shall we try? First bite. Sa inyo pala muna. Second bites for me na. Okay. So first bite mo, hindi mo malalasahan yung choco. Wala siyang choco. So ang malalasahan may mismong bread. Medyo croissant. Alam niyo yung croissant. Medyo may ganun na yung ano niya. No. Okay. So far so good. Magkano lang to? Parang 49 or 59? Another one. Tumulo. Sorry. Ayan. Ang sarap. Ah. Ang sarap na. Okay. It's good, lalo kapag nalasahan mo yung chocolate tsaka yung pinaka-bread niya. So, I'll try it this time with the sundae. Sundae. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.